Hey guys, so this is the triage breath, so the ability to extinguish the stress response in real time. Just remember, all that matters for this breathing technique is that we want to exhale twice as long as the inhale. So we'll begin, we're going to use a 4-8 inhale exhale pattern. So inhaling on a 4 count, exhaling on an 8 count. And let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 2 more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scan your body for a second. That's it. All we need to remember here is that to relax and to extinguish the stress response, we just want to exhale twice as long as the inhale. Enjoy.